Okay, Ms. Pickett, I want to take just a few minutes to thank you again for participating in our swallow evaluation today. Could you tell me your complete name, please?
Melanie Pickett.
Okay, and could you just do a few tasks for me, like maybe count from 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good, and could you tell me the days of the week then also?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, good. Just wanted to make, checking for cognitive ability there, just make sure that you're aware of things. First of all, let me just ask a few questions. Do you have trouble swallowing?
I have Sjogren's syndrome and extreme dry mouth, and so I have problems related to that.
Okay. What kinds of things do you have trouble swallowing? Would it include foods, liquids, maybe pills?
Mostly pills of a certain size and non-capsule, like whatever you call like vitamins, for instance.
Okay. What kinds of foods are you eating now? Just regular foods?
Oh, I eat all regular foods.
Okay.
Food groups, yeah.
Okay. How long have you had trouble swallowing?
Oh, probably 5 or 6 years. I've known about this.
Okay. Could you tell me more about these swallowing problems?
Well, when I try to take a vitamin, a lot of times it gets stuck in my throat or my esophagus, and sometimes when I wake up in the morning, it's still like right here.
You feel it down in your esophagus? Or
Right.
feel like it's down
Yes,
here?
anywhere along here. If I don't realize I didn't swallow it all the way, or have enough liquid, or whatever it is.
Okay.
So I will use applesauce and yogurt to try to take pills.
Okay.
But that's really the only particular problem I have with swallowing.
Okay. Have you had any respiratory problems that might in any way be related to your swallowing problems that
Oh,
you're
no.
aware of? Okay. Have you had a weight loss that might be related to your swallowing problems? Okay. Now, it's my understanding that you, I was going to ask you about your food likes and preferences, but are you a vegetarian? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so as far as meats then, you normally don't eat any meats because you just don't like them or just choose not for health reasons. Okay, well tell me some of the things as far as vegetables that you like or dislike.
I like all vegetables. They're as close to raw as possible, and I like all fruits.
Okay.
I eat cottage cheese, salads, and I do eat grains. And I eat edamame. It's got a lot of protein. And the cereal I eat is usually high protein.
Okay. Do you eat any sweets or desserts?
Sometimes.
Okay. What about any other type foods? I mean, anything else that you can think of that you like in particular or dislike or?
Nothing that I eat on a routine basis.
Okay. Would you describe, like, do you try to eat more healthy foods? Do you eat junk food sometimes? Or
pretty much healthy.
Healthy foods? Okay. Do you think that you would consider yourself a fast eater or slow eater?
Very fast.
Okay. How much of the food do you eat each time you have a meal? Like, do you eat less than half, more than half, none, hardly any of it? Like when you have to sit down to have a meal, about how much of the meal do you complete?
Well, I don't take that much and I eat it. I just eat whatever.
Oh, okay. So as far as portions, you just kind of get out what you think you're going to eat as far as portions.
Right.
Okay, I see. Do you prefer to eat alone, or do you like to socialize with others during meals, or does it vary?
It varies.
Okay. All right. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hand on your throat, and I'm going to ask you, okay, if you could, just to kind of get some saliva in your mouth, and then swallow for me, please. Good. Right. And I felt the movement there. If you can get it a little more, do it one more time. Very good. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you some water. I'm going to put just like a teaspoon or so of water in your mouth. And if you could, just hold it in your mouth for just a moment, and can you swallow? Okay. Can you say ah?
Ah.
Okay, good. Any problem? Do you feel like it went down wrong?
Oh, yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah.
It went fine? Okay. Well, what we'll do then, we'll get to a little bit larger spoon, and we'll do the same thing again. Just hold it in your mouth if you can. Okay, can you swallow? Okay, very good. Can you say ah?
Ah.
Okay, say ah.
Ah.
Okay, good. What I'll do, I'll let you hold the cup now, and I'm gonna put my hand here and just check, and then you take, whenever you're ready, you take a sip and swallow. Okay, say ah.
Ah.
Okay. All right, what I'll do then, I'm gonna put a straw in, and I'll let you just hold the cup. Okay, take a sip and swallow. Okay, good. Now this time take a couple of sips in a row. Okay, say ah.
Ah.
Okay, everything feel like it went
Oh,
all
yeah.
right?
Mhm.
Okay, great. Okay. Okay, Miss Pickett, my professor actually told me that if you did well with thin liquids, that thick liquids weren't necessary. But since we have the tomato juice here and you like tomato juice, we'll go ahead and try that.
Okay.
And what I'll do, I'll let you just get a small spoonful of it for yourself. Okay, you say ah.
Ah.
Everything feel like it went okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, we'll move to just a little bit bigger spoon then. Let me get ready. Okay. Okay, you say ah.
Ah.
Everything feel like it went all right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now what we'll do, I'll let you just take the cup itself. Okay, you say ah.
Ah.
Okay.
That's for you, honey.
And now what I'll do, I'll let you take the straw. And say ah.
Ah.
Good. Okay, if you don't mind, just let me look and see. Find my. Make sure there's not any. Okay, no residue from the drink. All right. You feel like everything went down okay there?
Yes.
Okay, good.